Alright, it's Saturday and we are back on Barton Lake because we've had pretty good luck, and today we have a rowboat because of the order by the governor to not use motorized boats. So we get to row. So we're gonna go back to the points over there on the other side of the lake, hopefully. Got a nice little breeze, should push us right along there, that'll be good. And plan on fishing the jerkbait. Extra backup paddle just because you never know. Our net. Oars, gotta have oars. GoPro camera mount somehow. We'll see how this. Fishing poles. Got two with fluorocarbon with jerkbaits on them. I got the chatterbait and black spinnerbait because I expected to get here hours ago, but that didn't happen. Tackle bag, ruler, life jacket, seat cushion, and a throwable. A drink. Trying to decide if we should bring the drone or not. Nah, I don't think so. All right, we are all set up. Obviously we had some chipmunk squirrel damage, so that's okay, we're fishing. All right, we are fishing. We came kind of to the south end. We got a nice kind of north or southwest breeze blowing us kind of straight across the lake on this east side. So we're just going to drift with the wind. We've got anchor if we kind of hit a hot spot. We're starting on this first point, but we're only in 2 feet of water right now. The joys of not having a trolling motor. But we're fishing. It's gonna be a long row back by the time we're done, but just hopefully make one long drift with the wind, fishing this east side of the lake, and probably just gonna fish the jerkbait, a lot of it. We'll see. We got the chatterbait, we got some other baits. I quick threw together some stuff for my tackle bag out of my boat. Over there's the other sunken island. We're gonna cast it. Row your boat because of COVID-19. Merrily, 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 this has to be a dream. But no, it's reality. No motorized boats. People get too close together on motorized boats. We should go back into that little pocket again. It's been about a week and a half. It's been 2 weeks now. Is that right? No, it's only been 1 week. Maybe it's warmed up. Maybe some fish went in there. I don't know. Guess we'll give that pocket a try. Fuck. Maybe about half an hour. Oh. I like to do stand-up rowing so I can see fish. See movement. I think there's some bluegill back here. See if there's any bass. Oh, the camera died, so you missed it. I caught a 6-inch bass on the jerkbait. You didn't get to see that. So we haven't changed baits yet. We still got two jerk baits. This black spinner bait that was meant for the morning, and a chatterbait. But we're gonna get back out of here, back to the main lake, try to get to that good point. I think we're gonna anchor there for a little bit, see if we can't find something somehow. Try some different lures there. Alright, we tie down a little whopper plopper. Probably should use that in here. I'm okay. I don't know what happened. I'm okay. Yeah. Well, that happened. My pride is just broken hearted, man. But I'm okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Very carefully avoided falling on my rod, breaking them all. Couldn't save the rest of me, but I can save the rod. The whopper plopper. The whopper plopper. A wet lip. Whopper plopper. Time for the anchor. I was reeling the bait in. Reeling the bait in because I thought I had weeds on it. And right by the boat, this one swam up and grabbed it. Alright, 13.5 incher. Wasn't even doing anything right. But finally got to the good point. Although it's still up there, we put down the anchor. We're going to slowly work the point on the Shadow Rap Deep, of course. Oh no, I lost it. Son of a gun. On chatterbait. I think you saw the hit right there. It felt good, but it felt like maybe it was a pike too. It was hard. I don't know. Crap. Try a booyah one knocker red craw here a minute. Here, one little motorboat driving out there. All over again. anchor down. There, now we're ready. Go fish number 3 for the day. Looks like a pike with my mega bass. Try to play him nicely, see if we can get it back. Definitely a pike. Definitely a pike. I was reeling in to make another cast and he smoked it. It's almost like a musket. Nope, it's a pike. There it is. This will be fun. There you go, decent pike. There you go. And like I was afraid, my bait is broken. Broke the tail end off my jerk bait. Since we lost our mega bass, we're gonna go with the old Rapala Max Wrap. Silver and black. It used to be one of my go-to jerk baits. They don't make them anymore or sell them anymore in America. They were the $18 Rapala bait nobody seemed to want, but they're actually really good. They cast far, got a nice thin profile, look a lot like a skipjack. I've only got a few of them left because I've lost them to pike and muskie and stuff. But I'm gonna try that. See if we can get some fish on the Max Wrap. Kind of just Red King KVD deep, whatever, 1.5 square bill. I forget what it is. I'm gonna try crankbait a bit. Look at that, a blister. Ow. Oh, well, that was our first trip without the motorboat. Didn't do as good as with the motorboat. Too bad they banned them. But could have been time of day. Alright, hope you enjoyed this rowboat presentation of geezers bassing. So we tried Barton Lake Saturday afternoon from, well, Saturday morning from 10:30 to, what time is it now? 1:30. So we're out there about 3 hours total. And we had what, 25 minutes of that is rowing now instead of just 1 or 2 minutes to get into the spots. But I thought it would be better. We had the perfect wind to go right up that shoreline, fishing a jerkbait, got to the point, caught one fish and a pike, but they weren't there. They weren't biting. I don't know. I tried jerkbaits, I tried chatterbait, tried booyah one knocker, lipless crankbait. We tried a square bill, deep square bill for a minute. That was mostly it. We tried that shallow pond again and caught one 6-inch bass that the camera was off for, luckily. But that was it. Not as good as it had been. But like I said, I expected to get here by 6:30 in the morning or so, be on the spot right at sunrise. But we didn't get here till 10:30. Didn't hit that spot till at least noon. Fish weren't there. Had the good wind, but oh well. At least we'll try maybe some new spots. I was gonna try one of the new spots, but I'm not even sure if it's open because it's a state park. So we'll check those out, see if we can't get some new areas that we've never fished before. See how we do there. Thanks for watching. See ya.